5 acres in Essex set the stage for a different kind of daily routine, one where space, privacy, and the seasons shape how you live. Inside, the kitchen does the heavy lifting. A farmhouse feel paired with an industrial range, oversized island, and walk-in pantry keeps everything organized and within reach. The dining room is ready for it all: holidays, celebrations, and those spontaneous Sunday dinners, and opens directly to a large screened porch overlooking the backyard. The main living space is comfortable and open, built for gathering or slowing things down by the fire. The first floor also includes a dedicated office and a primary suite designed for ease. With a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and nearby laundry that keeps everyday routines simple. Upstairs, 3 additional bedrooms each feature their own sink, one of those thoughtful details that makes busy mornings run smoother. A large bonus room with added storage offers flexibility for work, hobbies, or creative space. Out back, the open land is ready for whatever you have in mind: gardens, chickens, or evenings around a fire as the seasons change. And above the garage, a fully finished accessory apartment provides options for guests, extended stays, or additional income. A property that gives you room to live fully while staying close to everything Essex has to offer.